Morphophonological derivation matrix lesson 10 or 10th lesson. Use this T and H. Okay, but now practice these derived, no, not derived, derived form. When you speak in English, never forget, English is such as any song that you sing. Okay, or best word is make or derived forms. Try to practice slowly. Derived form will be make, maker, remake, unmake, not unmake or unmake, not unmake, unmake. And last one is overmake. So, I'd like to make something. I'm a good maker. I like to remake my homework. Not homework. Not homework. Homework. Okay? I'd like to unmake my sentence. And I'd like to remake my sentence to better sentence because I am a good sentence maker, man who made one sentence. I use more derived forms in one sentence. This is a good study for you too. Last one is overmake. When I generate a long sentence for you, I overmake this study in this lesson, in this 10th lesson. That means when you generate one sentence, you can practice everything. Ordinal number, cardinal numbers, or these verbs, nouns, adjectives. And if you forget how to ask in your mind how to use noun, what is noun? Car, that means the question in your mind is what? Car. Or who? Me, or Elizabeth, or Maria. Adjective, how you can ask if you'd like to use adjective. Which? Which color type? Which colored car? I have one car. This is noun. I have one red car. Which car? Red car. And verb, what I do. What he does. At this moment, what he does. Play with these words. Play with your foreign language accent, because if you practice it, this one will be better. Now go to the next lesson, please.